would like to discuss about the data structures. We simply call them as a DS. So, before we are going to be discussing about the data structures, first of all, we can understand what is meaning of the data. We are well known that the data is a raw fact. That means the fact that is existed in the universe, the fact cannot be changed as per the time, as per the environment. So the data is the raw fact. What are the different types of the data? That is our second point. So the data may be any type. For example, the data may be the numeric data. That means the numbers. So the numbers may be 45, that may be positive or negative, minus 46, or that may be integers or real numbers like that. That may be 3.5 or minus 4.7 like that. And same way, the data may be alphabets. That means alphabets means characters. That may be Ram, that may be Sham, like that. So that here the data consisting of only alphabet, and the data may be alphanumeric. So that may the combination of alphabets and numerical values, that may be A49 or 560 56C like that. And sometimes the data may be complex numbers. Actually, the complex is also the general part of the numerical data, but some programming languages or some other languages are considered as a complex as a separate data type, right? And this alphabets data type is simply the combination of alphabets is simply treated as a string data type. Actually, the complex data type means 4 plus 7i or minus 3 minus 4j like that. And sometimes the data may also a audio files in some wave format, and video files, right? And images in several formats. So we are going to be keep the data in a organized manner. So organization. So the data organization is very important. To organize the data of different types in different ways, we are using the data structures. So here we can understand the structure means organization or arrangement. So the next question is where we arrange the data. We arrange the data on memory, right? Because we know that in digital devices or in digital environment, the data is stored in memory. The next question is why we are organized or why we are arrange the data in a proper manner. For example, let us consider. So this is the a situation or this is an environment where we keep the certain data items. I keep X, Y, A, B, C, X, Y, M, N, K like that, and 1, 5, minus 6, and minus 7 like that. So to access the data item, because all the data items are kept into a one group and it is complex or it is difficult, we are going to be identify which data item you would like to access. And so for that reason, we are arrange the data in a proper manner. So the data structures are useful for ease of access of the data, ease of access. Let us consider here all the data items are not in the proper order. They are grouped and they form a heap. So suppose I am going to be organize the data like that. -7, -6, 1, 5. This is the numerical data. And then I am going to write A, B, C, M, N, X, Y. Suppose in a proper order, I am able to identify and I am able to ease of accessing the data. The second one is, suppose we are going to be keep the data in a cumbersome manner, it is wastage of the memory. The second one is wastage of memory. To reduce the wastage of memory, or we are saying that optimize the memory storage or memory utilization. We are going to be organize the data in the proper way. Okay, friends. So here I am going to be only consider 3 points. First one, I am what is the data? Data is the raw fact. The data is several types. That is the numeric, alphabet, that means string, alphanumeric, complex, either in the audio, video, and image format. We can organize the data in a proper way. The organization and storage of the data in proper way is known as the data structure. Why we are going to be use the data structure means for ease of accessing of the data from the memory. The second point is effective utilization of the memory or for the memory optimization. Okay, friends, I think you can understand the basic concept of the data.